In this video, we'll walk you through 5 tips and tactics that you can implement right now to improve your company's learning and development efforts. In other words, not just how to run your LMS, but how to use it to build skills, change behavior, and make learning stick. Before we dive in, a quick thank you to our sponsors. This video is brought to you by several LMS leaders, including our title sponsor, Absorb, as well as our other sponsors and partners, Talent LMS, Cornerstone, SkyPrep, Calidus, Thinkific, and Tavuti. What a stellar group of platforms. You can learn more about each of them through the links in the description, and stick around to the end for more helpful resources. All right, let's get into it. Tactic number 1, turn onboarding into a structured journey, not a course dump. Most LMS onboarding still looks like this. Day 1, new hires get a login and a long list of courses. No sequence, no pacing, no clear expectations. Instead, use your LMS to build structured learning journeys. Create role-based paths. For example, new support rep, first 30 days. Sequence content by week or milestone. For example, day 1, week 2, etc. Mix formats. Short videos, interactive modules, live sessions, and on-the-job practice. And add manager checkpoints, simple tasks or prompts built into the path. For example, week 1, company story, culture, basic policies, systems access. Week 2, role basics, tools training, shadowing tasks, and first practice tasks. Weeks 3 to 4, deeper product or process modules, plus a capstone assignment. Make the journey visible in the LMS so new hires know where they are, what's next, and when they're ramped. The result, time to productivity goes down, and managers stop reinventing onboarding for every new hire. Tactic number 2, use learning paths to support career growth. A lot of L&D is still one-off courses. Someone asks for communications training, you assign a course, and that's it. Use your LMS to create growth paths, not just events. Build multi-course paths aligned to roles or levels, from IC to team lead, future people managers, from senior engineer to staff engineer. Tag content against skills or competencies you care about, for example, coaching, strategic thinking, and data literacy. Let employees self-enroll in development paths tied to career goals, not just mandatory training. The result? Your LMS starts to look less like a compliance machine and more like a career accelerator, which helps with retention, engagement, and internal mobility. Tactic number 3, involve managers with simple, structured manager moments. Most LMS programs fail not because of bad content, but because managers aren't involved. Use the LMS to bake in simple manager actions around key learning programs. Add manager tasks into learning paths. For example, 30-minute one-on-one debrief after Module 3. Ask these 3 questions. Observe one real call and give feedback using this checklist. Trigger manager notifications when a new hire reaches a milestone in onboarding, someone finishes a leadership or skills module, a team member fails an assessment more than once. Provide manager guides as part of the course. Talking points, questions, and practical exercises they can run in team meetings. You're not asking managers to become instructional designers, you're giving them ready-made touch points to reinforce what's in the LMS. Before we move on, a quick shout out to our title sponsor, Absorb. Absorb is a leading AI-powered LMS designed to handle everything from onboarding and upskilling to customer education, partner enablement, and more in a single platform. And here's the kicker. With Absorb, you get a single, unified platform that can meet the needs of all your stakeholders, including employees, customers, partners, and others. This means you don't have to worry about managing multiple systems or trying to integrate different platforms. Thanks to Absorb for supporting this series. Check them out through the link in the description to see if it's the right fit for your business. Now, back to the show. Tactic number 4, capture tacit knowledge with lightweight user-generated content. Your best training content often isn't in the LMS. It's in the heads of your top performers. Modern LMSs usually support user-generated content in some form. Quick video uploads, screen recordings, micro courses, or how I do X walkthroughs. Use that to your advantage. Invite top performers to record short demos, tips, or breakdowns of tricky situations. Give them simple templates. 3-minute screen share showing how I handle Y. Have L&D do a light touch review for clarity and compliance. Tag this content so it surfaces alongside formal courses. For example, a peer tips section. Pair UGC with more formal modules. Formal course. For example, maybe the formal course is handling difficult customer conversations. The user-generated content could be 5 short clips from top reps showing real email responses or call snippets. The result? Your LMS becomes a living knowledge base, not just a library of vendor content. Tactic number 5, connect learning metrics to real KPIs, not just completions. If your main metric is 100% completion, you're flying blind. Use your LMS data alongside business data to build simple but meaningful learning KPIs. For sales training, link completion of key paths to changes in win rate, average deal size, or ramp time. For customer education, link academy usage to product adoption, ticket volume, or renewal rate. For service or support training, link learning paths to handle time, CSAT, or first contact resolution. For leadership programs, track feedback, retention, and promotion rates for participants versus non-participants. The result? You stop talking about learning in terms of hours and completions and start talking about impact, which is what executives care about. There you have it, 5 LMS best practices to improve learning and development. And speaking of L&D, one more big thank you to the LMS sponsors who made this series possible, including our title sponsor, Absorb, as well as our other sponsors and partners, Talent LMS, Cornerstone, SkyPrep, Calidus, Thinkific, and Tavuti. All of these bring unique value depending on your business model, and we've included links in the description. That's all. See you next time. Cheers.